What if 72-year-old Bob from my neighborhood can outrun men half his age? What if the most dangerous lies about aging aren't from social media, but from the very system designed to keep you healthy? Here's what nobody wants you to know. Your body has a remarkable capacity for vitality at every age. But there's a reason you haven't heard these truths before. Today, I'm sharing 7 research-backed strategies that could literally reverse how you age. These aren't just theories. They're fundamental truths about how your body works. And yes, there's a reason Big Pharma doesn't want you to know them. Have you ever heard any of these from your doctor? I'm dying to know. And if you want to keep uncovering health insights they don't want you to have, hit subscribe. Let's expose the truth. Ever wonder why some people in their 70s still build muscle while others waste away? My neighbor Bob discovered this at 68, and his doctor couldn't believe the results. Raise your hand if you think muscle loss is just part of aging. Keep it up if your doctor told you that. Now put your hand down because everything you've been told is only half the story. Sarcopenia, muscle loss, is not inevitable. Your muscles are primed for growth at any age, if you know the secret window. Research shows pairing protein with physical activity creates a muscle-building explosion in older adults. But timing is everything. The 30 minutes after you move, that's when the magic happens. Bob started this trick, and within 3 months, his strength tests shocked his physical therapist. She asked about supplements. His answer? 2 eggs. After your next walk, even if it's just to the mailbox, eat 20-30 grams of protein, eggs, Greek yogurt, or a handful of nuts. But there's a catch most people miss. Which leads us to the next secret. Everything you've heard about hydration? It's dangerously incomplete. What if confusion, fatigue, and brain fog aren't aging? They're dehydration, and your body is lying to you about it. When was the last time you felt truly thirsty? Can't remember? That's the problem. As we age, our thirst mechanism breaks down. You could be severely dehydrated right now and not even know it. Studies show seniors who stay hydrated appear years younger and develop fewer chronic conditions. Here's what's terrifying. Mild dehydration mimics dementia symptoms. How many are misdiagnosed? While you're watching, grab a glass of water. Seriously, pause and do it. Don't trust thirst. Keep a water bottle and sip constantly. Eat your water too. Cucumbers, celery, watermelon. But hydration alone isn't enough. There's a bone-building conspiracy you need to know about. For 50 years, they've told you calcium builds strong bones. What if that's a profitable lie? Look at your hands. See those veins? If calcium alone worked, why are fractures still the #1 cause of senior hospitalization? The real bone-building team, vitamin D3, K2, and magnesium. Without them, calcium can actually harden arteries instead of bones. D3 is the key for calcium absorption. K2 is the traffic cop, sending calcium to bones, not arteries. Magnesium is the spark plug for D3. A subscriber wrote, "I added K2 and my bone density test shocked my doctor." Ask your doctor to test vitamin D, consider D3 and K2 supplements, and eat magnesium-rich foods. But strong bones mean nothing if your brain isn't sharp. Ready for the brain-building secret that could prevent dementia? What if you could literally rewire your brain to resist aging? Science says you can, but almost nobody talks about it. Your brain can grow new pathways at 80, 90, even 100. But only if you do this one thing. Wait, let me share something wild. A 95-year-old learned piano and her brain scans looked 20 years younger. How? It's called cognitive reserve. Learning new, challenging skills creates backup highways in your brain. Studies show it can delay dementia by up to 5 years. Use it or lose it is only half true. It's not about crossword puzzles. It's about struggling and growing. Step out of your comfort zone. Learn a language, instrument, or take an online course. The harder it feels, the stronger your brain becomes. Leave a comment. What new skill do you want to learn? But even the sharpest brain needs fuel. Most seniors are running on empty because of these hidden energy thieves. Feel exhausted for no reason? Don't accept fatigue as normal aging. There are silent thieves in your blood work. Stop accepting tired as your new normal. 2 simple blood tests could give you your energy back. Vitamin B12 and D deficiencies are epidemic in seniors, but most doctors don't test for them right. As we age, B12 absorption plummets, and our skin makes 75% less vitamin D. B12 deficiency can mimic Alzheimer's. How many are suffering needlessly? Janet, a subscriber, was told her memory problems were just aging. After fixing her B12, her brain fog vanished in weeks. Demand B12 and 25-hydroxy-vitamin D blood tests. If you're deficient, supplementing could change your life in weeks. But energy means nothing without quality sleep. Most seniors are making this critical mistake. The sleep industry doesn't want you to know this free fix that works better than any pill. Raise your hand if you snore. Keep it up if you wake up tired after 8 hours. You might have a life-threatening condition aging you fast. Quality sleep is the most powerful anti-aging strategy there is. But as we age, we lose deep sleep, the kind that repairs the practical plan. First, maintain a consistent schedule even on weekends. Second, make your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet, and turn off all screens at least an hour before bed. Finally, if you snore loudly or feel exhausted after a full night's sleep, ask your doctor about a sleep apnea screening. Secret #7. The gut-healing fiber that fights inflammation. Our final secret is in your gut. You may have heard of inflammaging, the idea that chronic, low-grade inflammation is a primary driver of aging. A key to calming this down is fiber. Dietary fiber is the preferred food for the good bacteria in your gut. When these bacteria digest fiber, they produce compounds that reduce inflammation, improve immune function, and heal your gut lining. The practical plan: slowly increase your intake of fiber-rich foods like oats, beans, lentils, and apples. Add in probiotic foods like plain yogurt or kefir to give your gut microbiome extra support. And there they are: timing your protein, hydrating for clarity, using the bone-building team, creating cognitive reserve, fixing hidden deficiencies, mastering sleep, and healing your gut with fiber. This isn't about one magic pill. It's about a fundamental shift. The ability to influence how you age has been in your hands all along. Your body is like a garden. When you tend to it with these simple basics, it can flourish for decades to come. If this message resonated with you, please share this video with anyone who needs to hear it. And make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our next one. Take back your power. Start today. But before you go, let me give you one final, potentially life-saving tip. You've just learned how to fight back against aging, but there's a hidden danger almost nobody talks about: poor circulation. It's a silent killer that can lead to heart attacks, strokes, and even amputations. And here's the kicker: most doctors never mention the one cheap vitamin that can make all the difference. Don't click away yet. This next video is the most important one you'll watch today. What if you could boost your circulation, warm your hands and feet, and protect your heart for less than the price of a cup of coffee? There's a $2 vitamin that Big Pharma would rather you never hear about. And the proof? Just look at the hundreds of comments from people who tried it and saw real results. One viewer wrote, "I haven't felt this much energy in years. My doctor was shocked." Another said, "This literally changed my life and my blood pressure." So if you're serious about taking control of your health after 55, don't miss the video that's helped thousands already. Click right here or tap the video on your screen to watch Seniors. This $2 vitamin destroys poor circulation. Your circulation is the foundation of your energy, your brain power, and your longevity. Don't wait until it's too late. Discover the $2 secret now. And if you're ready to take your health revolution to the next level, comment circulation below after you watch, so I know you're with me. And if you love uncovering health truths nobody else will tell you, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. I'm dropping more medical mythbusters every week.